Jasmine with WTI, and I love baby wearing. Ergobaby or wrap makes it so much easier because they have a great quality wrap. It's nice and stretchy, so your baby can fit in here nice and snug without being too tight, and also really easy to put on. I love the thickness. It's like wearing an extra t-shirt, so it doesn't make you feel too hot if you live in warmer climate like myself. It's really comforting. My baby takes nice long naps when I'm wearing him in this wrap. He can go up to 2-3 hours napping in here with no problem. It's also really comforting for me because I love feeling him on here nice and warm. It reminds me of when he was in my belly, and it's just a really nice opportunity for you guys to bond. You also are hands-free, which is really convenient. You can do stuff around the house, you can work, you can clean. There's a lot of freedom to wearing your baby. So if you're looking for the perfect baby wrap to snuggle with your baby in, definitely check out that Ergobaby wrap. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.